if you are a homeowner or if you're planning to buy a property, this video is for you. I'm going to talk about one of the most important topics within my field, something that a lot of people overlook. And the topic is the difference between mortgage insurance and personal life insurance. Let me be clear from the beginning. Mortgage insurance, in my opinion, is a scam. I don't see a reason why would someone get a mortgage insurance if it's optional. The first difference I'm going to cover is who owns the policy. When you get a mortgage insurance, the bank owns the policy, while if you get a personal insurance, personal life insurance, for example, you own the policy. When you own the policy, it's not tied to your mortgage. You control the policy. You can lock in the premiums and also get discounts based on your condition. Your policy, your control. However, Bardia, why should I care about who owns the policy? Now let me tell you the downside of bank owning the policy. First of all, the premiums are not guaranteed. So the banks can either lower or increase the premiums. And guess what? They never lower their premiums. They always increase the premiums. It is also more expensive, which is very important because we don't want to overpay for something that we can get cheaper somewhere else. You see, banks are not insurance companies. What happens that a lot of the times they go out and they purchase life insurance and your life from a third-party insurance company and they pass on the cost to you. Now, let's assume that the cost is the same. Let's assume that mortgage insurance is not more expensive. What happens with mortgage insurance is that as you're paying down your mortgage, your insurance goes down as well. But with personal life insurance, it stays the same. Even when you continue paying the same premiums. Isn't that crazy? Here's another big point. Who gets paid in the case of a payout? In the case that the insured person dies, who gets paid? Does the family gets paid or the bank gets paid? Guess what? With the mortgage insurance, the bank gets paid, but with the personal life insurance, you can choose who gets paid. What most people prefer is that their family gets the money, right? Because then they're gonna decide, depending on the circumstances, what they want to do with the money. You see why I'm calling this a scam? Now, what happens if you decide to move your mortgage to another bank, or in general, you decide to change your bank? What should we do now? We should apply for a new mortgage insurance. And let me tell you something. The older we get, the worse our health situation gets, the more expensive the life insurance is going to be. So life insurance depends on both age and health situation. Now, one last point, the underwriting process. So we have two types of underwriting process. One is like a post-death underwriting process, and the other one is full underwriting. With the personal life insurance, what happens is that the insurance company goes through everything before they issue the insurance, before they sign the contract. They do medical tests. They check your family's health. Once they issue the insurance, the only way that they can avoid paying out the benefit is by them proving that we have done a fraud when we were doing the application. If we don't do a fraud, we're gonna get paid. And it's not even easy to prove that someone has done fraud. They have to go to the court, they have to have proof of fraud and everything. It's not easy. But with mortgage insurance, this is so crazy. They do post-death underwriting. What does that mean? This means they check your health and eligibility after your death. They're gonna look, okay, when this guy applied for insurance, was he eligible back then? If they find anything, they're gonna decline the payout. So all that money that people put in, like, I don't know how much do they put, $100 a month, $200 a month, $300 a month, all of that money is gone to waste. And after 20 years, they're gonna just get back the premiums that they have paid without any interest on them. If you know anybody that they have a house, if they have a property, if they're planning to buy a property, let them know about this. You may have a very big impact in their life and their family's life just by sharing this video with them. Good luck and take care.